Today, we're making cranberry sauce. Easy recipe. Just take any can of cranberry sauce, open it up, set it on your serving tray, and just slice it up for your guests nice and thin. Just like that. Come on, man, that's a weak cranberry game. We're gonna take it to a whole nother level. Heavenly Cranberry Salad. Watch this. Hey, the great news about this recipe is super simple. All you're gonna need is 3 bananas, 3 apples, a package of cranberries, fresh, a cup of mini marshmallows, a cup of whipping cream, and a cup of sugar. All right, first step, cook the cranberries. Let me show you how to do that. We're gonna cook the cranberries in the saucepan, so just open up your bag. This is the typical fresh 12-ounce bag you get at the grocery store. You can wash them if you like. I just put them in, okay? Spread them out, and you're gonna add about 8 ounces of water, okay? You don't want to put too much, but just enough to barely cover the pan, okay? It's about a half a bottle. And then we're gonna take this saucepan to the stove and cook these down. We're gonna cook the cranberries on a medium heat. It'll take about 10 minutes for them to get soft. After about 10 minutes, you'll notice the cranberries start to get soft. That's when you just wanna mash them down into a paste. It's time to add 1 cup of sugar and let it dissolve. Once the sugar is incorporated, just remove it from the heat, let it cool, and then we're gonna add it to a container to store it in your refrigerator, preferably overnight. Now, on the day you're ready to serve, you're gonna chop your apples and bananas, add them to a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of mini marshmallows, then you're gonna fold in your cranberry sauce you made yesterday and chilled overnight, and then fold in your whipped cream, and just blend it until it's well mixed. Okay, so the choice is yours, this or this. I choose this. Next time, make heavenly cranberry salad. Your angels will be singing too.